I'm Mary Dignan-Hill, and welcome to my newest listing at 6468 McLennan Avenue in Lake Balboa. This rare 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom pool home has been lovingly maintained by its current owners for 50 years. The living room features a separate dining area and sliding doors leading to an outdoor patio. Believe it or not, under this carpeting lies original hardwood floors. A future buyer will likely have a nice surprise waiting for them. This spacious primary bedroom has dual closets, a built-in cabinet, sliding doors leading to the backyard, and the ensuite bathroom has both a shower and a soaking tub. Thanks for joining me on a tour of this very special property in one of the most desirable pockets of Lake Balboa. For more information or to request a private tour, please feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help.